This is Aviraj Kumar.
Belongs to VR group of Genius Campers.
This is Aviraj Kumar, belong to BR groups. Today is video recording class. Today the anchorage goes to Navita Kumari. Now first of all I like to call Navita Kumari to say about her topic.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Namita Kumari and I belong to VR group of Genius Campers. And today is video recording class and my topic is girls is more pressurized than boys. Girls is more pressurized than boys because all the females are in this time all the girls and females are get higher position in the society and all the girls are higher positions and in ancient time all the girls are not study in the society because all of the men are not do the study of females in the society, but in these times all the females are educated in the society and this time so all girls and boys are equal. Thank you. Next I would like to call here in this stage so Shruti Kumari, so clap your hands.
Hello everyone, firstly hearty good morning to all of you. I am Shruti Kumari, inhabitant of Duli Bazar, Patna. As far as my education qualification is concerned, and I am doing standard 10th from BR Group Genius Campus. Now I would like to tell something about depression. Depression is one of the bad things in our world. People are highly goes in a depression. Depression means deep in pressures, which means person are highly goes in tensions of anything like business pressures, office pressures, and many things, many pressures. In past, there are also many cases of depressions. They have the depression of winning the war, how to rule over the country, how to be independent. In present, there are in the now time there are many increases of depression day by day. Day by day. This means people are not getting job nowadays. They are goes in depression, depression of winning games like football, hockey. They have tension of her family members, how to send her daughters and sons in schools, college and institutes. They have tension of how to give the payment in a school, college and institute. There is no any advantage of depression, but there are many disadvantages of pressures, like also students who study in 10th class, when he do not pass the examination, they suicide. This is one of the bad depression of disadvantage of depression. According to my conclusion, meditation and motivation is one of the medicine of depression. Thank you.
Thank you, Shruti. You speak very well and your English is very frequently. Thank you, Aditi. And thank you, Shruti. And next I would like to call her in this stage. So clap your hand, Aviraj Kumar. Clap your hand.
Hello everyone, good morning to all of you. Myself Aviraj Rajkumar to belong to BR Group English with Genius Campus. Today is video recording class. Today my topic on comments. We know that the comments is the one of the dangerous stones that's around in our atmosphere. Comments is the types of a rock that made with dust particles, rocks and ice. These comments are around the suns. The nearest comment that around our earth is Jalin's. Jalin's is the one of the biggest comment that size has been 3.2 square kilometer. That is a very big comment that around our earth. It is so nearly like the minimum length up to this comment is 3.2 square kilometer. There are many types of comments that are present in our solar system. The biggest comment in our solar system around the Jupiter, that size is double of our earth. These comments are full made with gases and rocks ice. This is made with cold ice. These are very harmful for us.
Hunting.
The biggest comment that are present in our atmosphere are the 10. That's dawn of our earth. The first comment that's dawn in our earth 1662 after BC. This comment name was the Saclydes. That size is very large. It is too dangerous. In which the comments are. In this comment is down over the earth there was like a nuclears like nuclear destroyed for our around. The second comments are the second comments World 2 that's called on in 1882. The third comments are the comments of death. It fall down in 1982. The present comment that fall down in our earth are the comments of Eclipse that fall down in 2004. After this day there was no comment down in the earth. The biggest comment that's around us, our all planets and sun, that not revolve the sun, that revolve our planet to planets in a straight lines. It's covered with sun. Thanks.
Thank
Thank you, Abhiraj. He is very intelligent in this classroom and her spoken is very well. And next, I would like to call her in this stage, Susmita Kumari. So clap your hands.
I am Susmita Pandey. I belong to PR Group of Genius Campus. Today is video recording classes. My topic is Dory system. Dory system is the oldest system in my country. Dory gives the bride parents to groom parents. Women does not equal in society. This is negative environment in my society. I think Dory will be remove our country to taking decision and giving Dory in a crime and illegal.
Ready.
Raja Ram Mohan Rai to try to remove Dory system, remove our country, but people does give the Dory in bride parents to not remove our country. Dory is. Thank you.
Thank you, Susmita Kumari. His topic is very good and Dory system is the topic is very good. And next, I would like to call her in this stage, Satyam Nath. So clap your hands.
Good morning everyone, I am Satyam Nath in standard 10th now. I am the habitant of Sorampur, Dulhin Bazar, Patna. Today is the video recording class in the BR Group's Genius Campus. So I would like to say some words about disadvantage of phone. Mobile phone are one of the most important Mobile phones are one of the most important electronic gadgets that we need in our daily life. They appear to be almost indispensable communications tool in today's world, but there are many disadvantages of mobile phones. Many people have experienced being in urgent business meeting and seeing someone's mobile phone started ringing with an incoming call. It is annoying and frustrating. When you are in an important meeting, the same thing can occur in movie theaters, family gatherings, and even at weddings. When you are in an important meeting, the same thing can occur with theaters, family gatherings, and even at weddings. As mobile phones are main tools for communication in those days, it can interrupt at the time while the people drive on roads to keep communicating because of constant form of communication is one of the main reason for road accident. In India, the 20 people die every day in road accident. Mobile phone leave negative impact on personal contact and relation, because though we see many times teenagers have dinner with their family members, but instead of joining in conversation with but they keep themselves busy on the mobile phones, scrolling news feeds, social media application. In this way, many people lost their conversation skills. It can weaken your relations between you and your relatives. The big disadvantage of using mobile phone is that you can't focus on your goal. So I suggested you that to please maintain a distance between you and your phone. And I say again that you control on your phone, not your phone control on you. Thanks. That's all.
Thank you, Satyam Nath. He is a new candidate in this classroom and her English is very well. And next I would like to call her in this stage Sujit Kumar. So clap your hands.
Hey guys, this is Sujit Kumar and today is video recording classes and my topic is time. We all know about time. Time is the most important things in our life because we have no time, so we cannot do anything. If we have time, so we walk, we watch, we talk. Everything is depend upon time. Nowadays, all the people are very busy in our life because they have many work. But past time, many people is free because there was not many work. He wake up and he goes to the field and hunting the animal and he came our home and eat the food. There are 3 types of time. First past, second present, and 3 future. Past time. Past time in this gutting event. In a past time, the event is end, and we learn about it and read and learn, and we get experience and our past event and secure. And second, present time is the most important thing because the present is directly proportional to future, because when our present is good, so our future is also set. So we do not waste our present time and future. Future time is depend our present because present makes future, and that's time is very important. So we should not lose our time. We do not waste our time. It is very important, and we should follow routine in our life and
Thank you, Sujit. I would like to call here in this stage Vishal Rajkumar. So clap your hands.
Good morning everyone, my name is Vishal Raj. Today class video recording. My topic, importance of money. Money is a good event hard to master. You should be fond of money to an extent that you are controlling and don't fall into the evil hands of money. There are many ways to earn money, but the systems are well. You have to handle your own money. Rich people are rich because now the true value of money and live they manage their business is generally said that money will stay in the hands of people who can in value. If you are a lavish spending money is an will soon lose all your wealth, hard work and committed. Essentially, if you want money as stay in your hand, with money you can rule the material world. If you thank you.
Thank you, Vishal. Your topic is very great, money. And so all candidates are completed your spoken, and so take care and like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.